Let's face it, the only way out of here is wrapped in pastry.
Perhaps he just went on holiday.
Fuck you!
Well, you were the one that was always hitting him. See how you like it?
Don't push me, Four Eyes!
Quiet, I say! There's tension in the ranks. Precisely what Jenny would have wanted. The old divide and conquer. Proper squadron worked together, just like we did in my RAF days. Jocko at the stick, Flappy at the map, and old whiz-bang at the tail end Charlie. Winker give the call, hop in, the old crate chucks away. Wizard shade was. That's how you get medals.
Will you shut up about your stupid blooming shit?